What is up, everybody? How's it going? So today we're going to be talking about the ladders and the items behind me. I also picked up some saw blades and a lighter and a couple other things at the same time, but so please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you guys so much for watching. What is up, everybody? How's it going? And welcome back to the channel. Before we get started, please like, comment, subscribe, and smush the bell notification icon for future updates. Alright, so I did pick up these two ladders as well as the folding bench. And I also picked up a couple blades and a lighter on the same day. So I ended up picking up two of the 5 3/8 blades by Diablo, as well as a 5.5 inch, which they're not really much different, to be honest. And I'll just showing you guys, but picked up two of the 5 3/8, and this one right here is 5.5. And you can actually use the 5.5 on a 5 3/8 saw, because the 5 3/8 is 137 millimeter. And a 5.5 is only 140 millimeter, so it's only 3 millimeter difference between these two blades, which isn't much at all. And I did go back today and I did get a couple items. I picked up two more 5.5 inch blades, and I picked up some Klein stuff, Klein tools. But I figured I'd show you guys. This is the DeWalt blade that came with the 12 volt extreme that I just put in here because I haven't used it. I prefer to use the Diablo blades over the DeWalt or the Milwaukee blades. So bring you guys in a little closer. So these are two ladders that for Black Friday and before deals that you can pick up, and they're on sale. So this one right here is the Gorilla aluminum one, which is the multi-ladder. Adjustable telescoping, Gorilla, 18-foot max reach, and that's going to be different based off of your height. But load capacity is 300 pounds. 20 adjustable telescoping positions. You can do twin step or A-frame. Do extension ladder, where you just fold it completely open and straight. Stairway style, where one side's shorter than the other. So one leg is shorter than the other, so this leg would be shorter than this leg as an example. 90-degree angle. You can use them as scaffolding if you grab two of these guys. Lighter weight, weighs under 31 pounds, easier use and adjustments, tougher impact tested, and it shows different other positions down here. 18-foot 1-inch max reach, with the straight. 6 position, 11-foot 3-inch max reach, 10-foot 10-inch max reach for a 90-degree. 11-foot 3-inch max reach for the 4 position. So this was 99 bucks. These are really, really expensive ladders. You can get this in a 22, and I think you can get it, if I remember correctly, a 30, a 35, something like that. And you guys can correct me down below on the other ones. I don't remember if it was a 35 or a 32. And then I picked this one up. This one is a fiberglass style. This one does 2 positions. It does the A-frame style and then the full straight style. Max reach on this one is 10-foot max reach, 6-foot ladder size. You can also, as an A-frame, when you use this in A-frame, you can actually have people stand on both sides of it. This has a max load of 375. It is a IAA duty rating, ANSI plus OSHA standard. 15-foot max reach when it's fully extended. It's a 12-foot ladder. This one right here It stores at 4.5 feet, but I think this one is like a 13 or 14 foot. But it does say 18 feet max, so it actually might fold out and extend all the way to 18. You do have these knobs right here to lengthen it both sides. So these legs will slide. You can see the, and then this guy right here, the handles. But I picked up one of each size. Later down the road, if I really like this Gorilla ladder, I'll probably pick up the bigger size. Bigger size is like $329 not on sale, and this one is well over $199 by itself. But $99 a piece for these two ladders, so 200 bucks, not bad. This guy's usually well over $130, and I picked this folding bench up from Gorilla Ladder for 34 bucks. And I'm going to use this while I'm working on vehicles. And I ended up putting it upside down. There. So 300 pound. It stores 3.25 inch storage depth. Integrated handle, which the handle's not too bad. Self-locking legs, which it does work well. They're right here on this side. Non-marring feet. It does have rubber feet. Easy to climb. It does have stairs on the back, on the side legs. They do have sections that you can actually step up onto. Depending on your height, you can just lift your leg up and step on it if you want to. 47 inch by 12 inch, so it's 12 inch wide. It's 1 foot wide by 47 inches long. And $34 was a good deal for me for this. I've been looking at buying one of these for a while. If I like this one, I'll probably step up to the bigger one that does like 600-700 pounds. Will be a lot more sturdy, me standing on it. You'll more than likely want to stand in the center, because I was standing on this earlier just testing it out, and if you're standing all of your weight on one side, the legs do slightly start to bow out a little bit. Not a lot, half an inch or so. It's not really a lot, but it does. But I picked these up because I didn't have any A-frame ladders, and this will be a good tool. There's a little bend right there on this one, but this will help me get into trim trees and stuff like that. The only ladder I actually have is just a slide Werner ladder, which is a 22 foot slide ladder. So now I have a couple A-frames. My wife can use one of these if she wants to use them. This fiberglass style one does come with a little tray. It's dusty. That you can, a little removable bucket tray that you can attach up here. So it has an attachment point on this side. But all in all, they're both nice ladders. I'm gonna put them to use and add them to the collection of tools. I don't normally use ladders very often, but anybody that's ever cut tree limbs at really high heights, you guys know that a slide ladder leading up against the tree is not really the best way to do it. A-frames are more secure when you're standing near a tree, especially if you need to be 5-10 feet away from the tree because you're cutting a large limb really high up. You're not going to be able to use a slide style ladder. The A-frame's best bet. But these Gorilla ladders, I've heard a lot. They're great ladders. Lots of people love them. I figured because they were on sale, 99 bucks for this one, 99 bucks for that one. That's kind of hard to beat. They are dusty. They do sit next to the lumber, but that is all I got for you guys today. It's just a quick video, other than I showed you guys I picked up these blades, and then I picked up the same day, just a different store, I picked up this lighter because the other one broke, and that was my fault because I left it in the cold. But and 40 degrees, 30 degrees is pretty cold for Arizona, especially at this time, at the end of November, December. But it happens, and I left it out in the cold, I think it was September, October. And what holds the fuel cracked, the little container holds the fuel, and just, it works, but you waste fuel on the other one. I was thinking about taking it back, but it was $4.98. It was like, you know what, I'll just buy another one and just won't leave it outside. So picked these up, couple, 5 3/8 Diablo blades, and then a 5.5 inch Diablo blade. And then I went back to the store today. This was yesterday or 2 days ago, so Saturday, today's Monday. And then I picked up some more of the 5.5 inch Diablo blades, and then I picked up some Klein tools, so you guys will get to see those. But that's all I got for you guys today. I will give you guys an update video down the road, how well they work. I'm not sure what the part number is on these. Not even sure there is one on here. But I don't see a part number, but they're easy to find. Home Depot. This yellow one is sitting next to this guy, and this 18 inch is sitting next to the 22 inch, and then the bigger ones. But 99 bucks. I might have to go back and pick another one of these up, and then I can use it as a scaffold ladder setup if I wanted to, which is not a bad idea, that you can use it as a scaffolding. It's pretty neat. But for 99 bucks a piece, it's a pretty hard deal to beat, especially when one of these is well over 300, one of them's well over 199. For 99 bucks a piece, that's a pretty amazing deal. But that's all I got for you guys. I hope you guys have an awesome rest of your day. If you guys have any of these items and you've used them over the years, let me know what you think of them down below. I'll give you guys my opinions once I've used them quite a bit. See how well they hold up in dusty environment like Arizona. And that one's going to be used for strictly working on vehicles. Just needing a little extra height. Maybe you're working on a roof rack, or need a little bit more lean when you're leaning into an engine bay. But that's all I got for you guys. I hope you guys have an awesome rest of your day. As always, please like, comment, subscribe, smush the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, my DJI Electronics affiliate links, as well as my Ohio Power Tools affiliate links. And I hope to see you guys on the next video. Thank you guys so much for watching. See you guys later. Peace!